All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am bringing y'all a Bitcoin dominance chart update. So, welcome to Crypto Takeover, everyone, where we are going over charts every single day using our market cipher indicator, brought to you by CryptoFace and the team at Market Cipher. So, it's an easy way to just kind of read charts in general. Right now, I'm currently studying a little bit of Elliott Wave as well. Just broadening my expertise in this field of chart reading. So with that being said, y'all, we are almost at 1,000 subs. Thank y'all so much for all the support. When y'all like, comment, and share, that helps the channel grow so much, and I want to be able to give back to y'all every time that we do make a substantial growth on this channel. So at 1,000 subs, I will be doing a giveaway of $50 of BCH. And so what y'all need to do is y'all need to be signed up at CryptoTakeOver.io, and I will do a email drawing from there, and then I'll reach out to you so that way I can get your BCH address. With that being said, thank y'all so much again coming back. So right now BTC is in a little bit of a downwards trend, as we've all known, but as we can see here, our dominance is in a steady upward growth right now, kind of in this just like channel that's happening here all the way to about, I would say probably to about right there. So it's a nice little upward growth here happening. Even if we were to take some of these indicators off just to get an idea of what might be happening, and maybe draw some more support lines here as well. A little bit of a upwards angle edge. Oh, well, you know what? Now that I had just saw this right here. Maybe a little bit of a ascending triangle or a wedge to the upside as well. So that is the 3-day chart. Let's take a look here. Let's turn on our indicators again. Cipher A, thank you. So yeah, we are coming to a little bit of a pivot point here in the charts on our 1 day. So Bitcoin dominance is currently at about 70%. Bitcoin dominance. We are starting to see a lot of these altcoins get flushed out right now too. Money moving into Bitcoin, just because the markets are in a kind of a downwards trend right now. People just don't know where to put their money, whether that's in Bitcoin or whether it's in Tether. So we're gonna, it looks like we're gonna start to see some substantial growth in the dominance here. It does just look like we're kind of making a nice upward trend happening here. And with that upward trend, I mean, within this support line, 72-ish area, 73. So as you start to see just market sentiment get worse and worse, people are going to think that the only hedge that they can hedge in is Bitcoin. So we'll start to see some of these, some people start to move a lot of their money into Bitcoin. And if people just keep taking profit or shorting it, and then it's going to be up to Tether or decide what you want to do with whatever you want to do. So we did see a little bit of a pump here, up to about 7,500, 7,600-ish in Bitcoin, and I believe that's where we were at here. But now we're starting to see some of the altcoins drop off a little bit too, so dominance is starting to rise in Bitcoin as well. It does look like we are kind of topping out there on the 1 day. Let's take a look at our 2 day here. 2 day also looking like it kind of wants to top out. Let's take a look at our 5 day. 5 days just now coming up into this slope here. So we're coming up above the pivot point, which could send us back up to retest this the support or this resistance line at 72% BTC dominance. I'm just kind of curious to see where would be more support at 72, possibly 80. I would say that 80% BTC dominance would be our next target that we need to hit, about 80% BTC dominance. So let's go ahead and just draw that in real quick. I would say probably about right there, 80%. Yeah, that's kind of what my target is right now for BTC dominance, is about 80%. And with that, but it does still look like we are still mostly in a downwards trend on BTC. So we're going to start to see a lot of panic probably, to be honest. That's what my indication is for us to hit this 80% BTC dominance, is that we're gonna probably see a lot of panic selling, people not knowing where to hedge. They're gonna try and hedge into Bitcoin, and that's gonna drive this this dominance chart to go further up as well. But price could still continue downwards, as we may find out. So, I mean, as you can see here, from all the way from April, August, June, July. I mean, June, July is where we were topping out at on BTC, about 14K, right? That 13, 14 area. And this was that consolidation here, but then we just had complete dominance rise from there. And then this capitulation happening as well. So with that, it does look like a lot of people were at that 13, 14K area. Felt like they needed to only hedge in Bitcoin, and then we started to see a lot of people move into Bitcoin, then some selling off into the altcoins, and now moving back into Bitcoin, because it does look like we were starting to see a little bit of a pull, but to be honest, we'll see what happens, because this was all sell-off right here. June, July, and then August into September. Yeah. September, October, that was pretty much all sell-off too, as well. So we could peak back up here and continue upwards momentum. But I think that's just going to mean that people just don't know where to hedge their money, and we'll probably see a lot of the altcoins end up going to the wayside. So just be aware of that. I've been doing some reviews. I did a review on XRP as well, and it's still in a steady downwards trend. A lot of our altcoins are as well, but that just means that Bitcoin dominance will rise up here eventually. So that's our 2-week. Does look like we are kind of moving up there on a 2-week, monthly, 3-week, monthly, and our monthly here has a red dot as well, starting to come into that red money flow area. I mean, we could just consolidate here. We could come back up. It's really uncertain, y'all. Dominance is kind of a weird market to kind of look at and decide where you want to hedge off of. But our monthly chart is showing that we're still in this upwards trend here, right? So we could see another green. We could end up breaking up from here, come back to retest that 80% BTC dominance. That is my price target ultimately, from other groups that I'm in as well. So get signed up for the giveaway at 1,000 subs. I also have my Patreon group if y'all are interested in joining that. It's basically a consolidation of all the other groups that I'm in and all the information I'm getting from those other groups into here. If y'all want to buy a Ledger Nano S or X, y'all can use that link down in the description below as well. I do have the Telegram group available. I'm doing updates in there every once in a while. Also, I have the Discord channel that is up and running. Oh, that is CryptoFace's Discord channel showing his positions. Okay. Anyways, the Discord channel is up and running. Y'all can join there. Message me on Discord if y'all like. I am using the TradingView Plan Pro Plus. I have that link down there as well. If y'all are interested in leverage trading, I have the Bybit link. But use the testnet first, please. Just get signed up, and then ask support how to get signed up for their testnet. CryptoTab is a great way to earn passive income by mining Bitcoin straight from a web browser. Super easy and convenient. You can run it on multiple machines, even on your phone or tablet that you have. Also, I have my Brave browser affiliate link if y'all want to search the web and earn BAT token. It's a cool way to get paid while you're browsing the web. Add me on Twitter, add me on Instagram. BTC dominance target is 80%. If we start to see a lot of money move back into Bitcoin, but also taking a look at the Bitcoin chart, we are in a downwards movement. So I honestly feel that the reason if this goes to 80%, it's not going to be because Bitcoin's bullish, but it's going to be because people don't know where to hedge their money at. And they're going to think they should hedge it in BTC. But ultimately, I think BTC is still headed lower. If y'all take a look at that one video I just put out, the monthly chart, that it isn't telling the truth. Take a look at it. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Let me know what charts y'all are using, and I can do reviews on them as well. What altcoins y'all are interested in. Share this video with your friends on Facebook or wherever. And I'll talk to y'all then. Y'all have a great one.